Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. I wanted to tell you a little story. Several months back, I had a customer for my shop, Drill Pen Frenzy. She was having a hard time measuring her canvas, and when she measured it, she came up with 139. And I'm like, well, they don't make a 139. So I hadn't even heard of a canvas the size 139. And recently, one of my distributors told me that they had a size 139 in this new size that we have of, I think there's like 2,200 holes in it. And just so you know, this is a 30 by 30 and it goes all the way across. So I can do all of this without having to worry about lifting it off or changing it out or overlapping or anything like that. And come to find out that this is an old Craftably canvas. And I kind of remember back when I was first doing one of their kits, I could not find a ruler that would fit. And come to find out, this 139 fits it pretty darn perfect. I did have to kind of pull and tug a little bit because there was just a little bit that was off when I had the whole ruler on. If you look right here at the end, you can just see that it's slightly off. But it's not going to matter. It's so similar. I mean, it's so close. And it actually matches up with the rows below. So 139 is the size of canvas this would need for a ruler. And we actually have them now. We have a few of them because I don't know how often someone needs a 139. But I come to find out I pulled this canvas out for drills and chills, and just my luck, it needed a 139. And even luckier than that, we actually just started carrying the 139s. So if you are interested in getting one, I will leave a link down below for you to find them. This is the largest size ruler we have. We do also have size 140, 140.5, and 141, as well as the 139. And you can see right here, it's upside down, but you can see right there, it's a size 139. So, yeah, that was just a bizarre happenstance that this needed the 139, and I didn't know how I was going to introduce that size to the shop, but I guess this is the perfect time than any to show it because I'm actually using it. So there you go, just to show you that it does how much area it covers. And that means, you know, this diamond painting will be done in no time with using a grid this big, because all this color blocking I can get done so quick, because I can do color blocking much easier on a round than on a square, because I have the grid to just pop them into with a really large placer, or with the roller, or the round diamond placer. So let me know if you have any questions down below in the comment section. And if you made it through to the end of this very short video, you can use the word crow in a sentence. See, as you can see, there's a crow here, or blackbird, and that will let me know that you made it all the way through to the end and you actually find my videos interesting enough to watch the full thing. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day, and don't forget to always diamond paint. I'm tired. Don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.